9th class students, in the last class we discussed location of root 2 and root 3 on number line. Now today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2, page number 14. You have to take your textbooks. Afterwards, listen what we have to discuss here carefully. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. The first question goes to root 27. So, one time just think about 27. 27 is not a perfect square number. So that we clearly say that root 27 is not rational. Root 27 is not rational. So, the next one, we cannot written as 27 cannot be written as another number whole square, so that it is clearly irrational. Next one, the second question is root 441. Root 441, it can be written as 21 square, because 441 can be written as 21 whole square. It is a perfect square number. Square and square roots are cancelled, you get plus or minus 21. I think here this can be written as plus or minus 21 whole square. Square and square roots are cancelled, you get plus or minus 21. It is a rational number. And goes through the third problem, 30.23, 234, 2345, so on. Interesting question. 30.23, 234, 2345, so on. In this decimal, 23, 234, 2345, like that. The decimal is not terminate, non-recurring here. Recurring means 23, 23, 23 continue like this. This is terminating decimal, recurring decimal. So here 23, afterwards 234, afterwards 2345. So that clearly it is neither terminate nor repeating. So that such type of decimal is said to be an irrational number. Next question, 7.484848, so on. 7.484848, so on. It is clearly, the fourth problem is 7.484848, so on. Clear, 48 will continue like this. It is non-terminating, but 484848 will be recurring. That is why it is clearly say that it is non-terminating recurring decimal. Every non-terminating recurring decimal can be expressed as a rational number. Already previous exercise we done that problem also. Now go through the fifth question. 11.2132435465. So after 8 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 digits, the decimal will be stopped, so that it is clearly terminating decimal. Every terminating decimal can be expressed as a rational number. And go through the sixth problem, 0.30303000, so on. So the sixth question, 0.30303000, so on, like this. 3030 not like that have. Clearly it is also neither, it is not terminating and also non-recurring. Here 30, here 300, 3000, so that it is neither non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Every non-terminating, non-recurring decimal can be expressed as an irrational number. This is the first Roman in the exercise 1.2. Explain with an example how irrational numbers differ from rational number. How irrational number differ from rational number? Clearly we say that every rational number can be expressed as either a terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. But every irrational number which is neither terminate nor repeating. Clearly see the examples. This is irrational. We cannot written as another number, perfect number whole square, so that it is irrational. See this one also, which is 30.2323423445. It is not terminate, non-recurring, so that it is irrational. This is rational. Why? Because non-terminating but recurring here, so that it is rational. The above one is irrational. Here another example also there in Roman number 1, 11 point, that is fifth problem, 11.21 324 35 465. Let us see this one. After decimal, how many digits are obtained to us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after decimal, 10 digits are obtained and stopped here. That is why it is non-terminating. It is terminating decimal. It is clearly terminating. After 10 digits, it is terminate. So that every rational number can be expressed as either terminating decimal or non-terminating recurring decimal. But every irrational number can be expressed as neither a terminate nor repeating decimal. This is about the second problem. Find an irrational number between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9. How many more there may be? How many irrational numbers are there between 5 by 7 and 7 by 9? Interesting question. Actually, in the earlier class, in the 8th and 7th standard, we clearly known about that. Between two rational numbers, how many rationals are there? The answer is so many rational numbers are there. Clearly, between two rationals, there are infinite irrational numbers are there. Go through the question. The first one is 5 by 7. The second one is 7 by 9. One time the decimal form of 5 by 7, try to learn. How much will be obtained to us? 5 by 7, divide 5 with 7. 7 not gone, 7 zeros 0. Do subtraction, 5 will be obtained, not gone 7. So keep point notation, replace 0 here. 7 sevens are 49. Remainder is, do subtraction, remainder is 1 and kept 0. 7 1 is 7. Do subtraction, the remainder is 3. Replace 0 here. 7 4s are 28. Do subtraction, remainder is 2. Replace 0. 7 2s are 14. Do subtraction, 6 is the remainder. Replace 0 here. 7 8s are 56. Do subtraction, remainder is 4, 40. 7 5s are 35. Do subtraction, 5 is the remainder 0. 7 7s are 49. So here already 5 is there. 5 came here, the remainder. Again 5 remainder will be obtained. So the digits are continuous like this. So 5 by 7 can be represented as 0.714285. This is so on. That means this is the recurring part of that one. I think this is like right. The other form of this one is 0.714285, 714285, so on. This is the decimal form of this one. And go through the 7 by 9, the same form. Do subdivision, do 7 with 9. 7 zeros 0. Do subtraction, 7 is the remainder. So again keep point, 0 will be obtained. How many times will 9 will gone? 7 8 9 8s are 7 9 7s 63. 9 7s are 63. No, yes. Do subtraction 7. 7. 9 sevens are 63. 7, so on. Continue like this coming for us. So this is 0.7 bar. That means 0.777, so on. Between the values 0.71, 0.77, how many irrational numbers are there? One time check. The irrationals between them are between 5/7 and 7/9 are, how many are there? One time see. The value of this one is 0.71 approximately. This one is 0.77. We can write so many irrationals. 0.714. We have take 715, 716, 155, 71555, so on like this. 715, 7155, 71555, so on, which is neither terminate nor repeat. Similarly, another one 0.721, 221, 221, 421, so on. These like we can write so many irrational numbers. 21, 221, 221, 421, which are neither terminate nor repeat. Not terminate because of we can kept here the dot notation, that means they are not terminating. And here 21, 221, 221, 421, like that coming, they are not recurring. So that clearly these are the irrational. ఈ విధంగా మనం ఎన్నైనా రాసుకోవచ్చండి, ఎన్నైనా రాయొచ్చు. 73, 733, 7333, like that way also we can write. So go through the next question. Find two irrationals between 0.7 and 0.77. Same pattern you have to follow. So clearly ఈ విధంగా వాడిచ్చాడు 0.7, 0.77. 0.7, 0.77. Between them we can write so many irrational numbers. The answer also అదే ఆన్సర్ రాసుకోవచ్చండి, ఎందుకంటే 0.7 అంటే 0.70, 0.77, కాబట్టి ఇదే ఆన్సర్ కూడా దానికి రిపీట్ చేయవచ్చు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. And goes through the 5th and 6th Romans. Clearly these problems already we discussed in the previous class. Find the value of √2, √3 by using division method, already we done. So you have to do the two problems, 5th and 6th, in the same pattern. Locate √10 on number line. Locate √2 on number line. This will be discussed clearly tomorrow class. Okay children? And go through the 9th Roman true or false questions. You have to do yourself, easy questions only. Tomorrow we are going to discuss 7th and 8th problems in this exercise. Okay? Bye children.